Restoration is to have things replaced for you in a manner that would be better than it was before.